Now question number 3. The time T minutes taken to complete a walking challenge by 250 members of the club are summarized in the table. Draw the cumulative frequency graph to illustrate the data. Okay, so cumulative frequency. Here the cumulative frequency is given. Last is 250. So we will divide this vertical axis like I think 50-50. We will start with 50. So this point represent 50, then this 100, then 150, then 200, and then 250. Yeah, perfect. And horizontal axis time, the maximum time is 60, so we will divide like 10. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and 60. This axis is time in minute. Okay, and this vertical axis is cumulative frequency. So here we write cumulative. This is cumulative frequency. Now up to 20, the cumulative frequency is 32. So at 20, I will mark 32. So this is 10. Up to 20, it is 32. So this is 50. 10 divisions are 50. So each division is a 5. So 5 6 are 30. So somewhere here, I have 1 point. Okay. Next point, at 30, we have 66. So 66 after 50, 55, 60, 65, 66. So 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3, somewhere here. Okay, then third, 35, we have 112. So at 35, we have 112. Mm, okay, at 35, 112. So 35, 112. So this is 35, 100, 110, 112 is somewhere here. This is 112. Then we have 178. 178 is for 40. So for 40, we have 178. This is 150, 160, 170, 175, 178 is somewhere here. Then 228, at 50, 228. 50, we have 228. So this is 200, 210, 220, 225, 228 is somewhere here, 228. And last, at 60, we have 250. So at 69, we have 250. So 250 is this point. Okay. Now we will join this with a smooth curve. So as here, if you read the question, the time in minute taken to complete the walking challenge by 250 members of the club are summarized in the table. So at the start, the time taken to complete the walking challenge. So 32 completed the challenge in 20 minutes. So when it starts, nobody has completed. So we can start with 0. The graph will go like this. From 0, it will start. It will go like this. So you can draw with freehand or you can draw with scale as well. Okay, I prefer to draw with freehand. So from this, it will go like this. Yeah, wonderful. Okay, so your graph. Use the graph to estimate the 60th percentile of the data. So 60% of 250. 60%, 60 divided by 100 of 250 is 150. So what we do, at 150 we will draw a line. So here we draw a line. This cuts here. From here we draw a vertical line. So it will go like this. So this is 38. So 60th percentile is equals to 38. 38 minute we will say. Next we have, and it is given that an estimate for the mean time taken to complete the challenge by these 250 members is 34.4. So mean is given. Mean is 34.4. Calculate the estimate for standard deviation of the time taken to complete the challenge by these 250 members. So calculate an estimate for the standard deviation. I have to calculate an estimate for standard deviation. So for standard deviation, what we do, we find out mid values and here frequency. Okay. So mid value and frequency. So here again and again I have to go up and down. So mid value, first mid value is 0 to 20. So 10. For 10, I have frequency as 32. So for 10, mid value 10, frequency is 32. Then it's 20 to 30. So 20 to 30, it's 25. So for 25, the frequency is going to be 66 minus 32. So it's 34. Then after 25, we have 30 to 35. So the average of 30 to 35 is what? 32.5? 32.5. So next mid value is what? 32.5. And the frequency is what? 112 minus 66. So 112 minus 66 will give us 46. The next mid value after 35, it is again 37.5. 117 minus 112. 117 minus 178 minus 112. 178 minus 112. 66. So 37.5 and 66. Then next is 40 to 50. 40, 40, 45. 45, it's 228 minus 178. So 50. So for 45, it's 50. For 45, it's 50. For 45, it's 50. And then after 45, 50 to 60 is 55. For 55, it is 250 minus 228 is 22. So for 55, it's 22. It's 22. Okay. Calculate an estimate for the standard deviation of the time taken to complete the challenge by the 250 members. Okay. So now I have to calculate the estimate for standard deviation. So first I will find variance. So formula for variance is equal to summation of f into x square. That means 32 into 10 square plus 34 into 25 square plus 46 into 32.5 square plus 66 into 37.5 square plus 50 into 45 square plus 22 into 55 square whole divided by n. So here our total frequency is 250. So whole divided by 250 minus x bar is 34.4. So 34.4 square. So let us calculate. So after calculation, it comes out to be 151.24. Therefore, standard deviation will be square root of this, which is 12.3. Okay, so this is your question number 3.